Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get a high-pitched voice in Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening it up, guys, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead and log in, or if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started seeing all the trending videos. You can see the posts by other users and so on. So let's go ahead and see. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click the plus button right here at the bottom part of the screen in the middle, and this is going to open up this new menu page right here where we can see we can get started with either importing a new file, we can start voice recording and so on. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up the file where you want to get your high-pitched voice from. You can either go ahead and record yourself right here or just import a file, and after opening it up, I'm going to open it up in the studio. It's going to look like this. So this is our file right here. As you can see, our track, and now we can get started with editing it. So what we're going to do guys is we're going to go ahead and click the FX button. The FX button that appears to the name of our track, as you can see at the top of the screen. Click the FX button, and this is going to open up this new menu where we can see all the options we can access and all the presets that we can use. So these are the presets that we can use guys, and as you can see right here at the bottom part of the screen at the right side is the auto pitch button. So you want to go ahead and click on auto pitch, and after clicking auto pitch guys, this is now going to enable us to either select whatever we want to use. We have the classic option, big harmony and so on. You can select whichever options you want and go ahead and get started testing them out to see how they work. You can go ahead and add any effects, and then you can go back and even add some presets if you want to your studio tracks in the FX option. That's going to enable you to get your voice in high pitch. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.